Hi everyone, this is Teacher Hazetee, and tonight I'm gonna teach you how to access your PNU Google account on your smartphone. How to do that? Let's check it out. And we're back with another tech episode on Teacher Hazetee, and like what I told you, tonight I'm going to teach you how to access your PNU Google account on your smartphone. So step number 1 is to go to settings and then add your Google account. So let me just head over to my settings. So this varies from phone to phone. So you just have to look for your settings icon and then click that. So after clicking settings, you have to add your Google account. Scroll down a bit and look for where you are supposed to add the accounts. So my phone is Oppo F9. So ayan, here is how it looks like on my phone. Now, there's an accounts and then account button. Then you will of course choose Google because we're adding a Google account from PNU. So ayan, it will now verify if you are the one changing the settings. So I'm just gonna put in my fingerprint. Pawis kasi yung kamay ko, so it doesn't read my fingerprint. Dali. Ayaw talaga. So password na lang tayo. There. Now, we'll just have to wait for it, and the next step now is to log in using your account credentials. So I'm going to log in. Yan, tesoro.hae at PNU. Ay, mapindot. Tesoro, sorry. .hae. Yan nga. At pnu.edu.ph. So click next. This account already exists on your device kasi nag-login na ako before. But step 3, it says here na download Google device policies. So we're going to the App Store. Yan, Play Store pala. Sorry, di pala ako naka-iPhone. Ambisyosa. Okay, so Google device policy. We're going to download that. Google device policy. Ayan. So, ito naman na siya. Nag-a-appear na siya agad. Google device policy. So, click install. So, the entire name pala is Google Apps Device Policy from the Google Play Store. So, just wait for it to load and finish installing. Wait lang. Ayan, so now let's click open. Ayan, so it says here, this application shows administrators to enforce policies on how your mobile device is used to access work information. If you're using Gmail or Google mobile apps for personal reasons, you don't need this app. To keep your data secure, it also allows the admin to remotely wipe data, while you can reset your screen lock code remotely or locate a lost device. This application requires phone permission so that it can retrieve the serial number of the device. So ayan, this is only for applications that are managed by admins. Ayan, to enforce kung paano, how the mobile device is used to access work information, because ang first try natin when we try to log into our PNU Google accounts on our smartphones, we cannot join Google Meet calls and we cannot open the PNU Gmail, diba? So, yon, kaya natin to ginagawa. So, now, switch account ako kasi DepEd yung naka-login dyan. So, we have to enforce yung PNU account natin. When you click view details, it will show you yung details ng phone, serial number, kernel number, ganyan-ganyan. So, those are numbers that I cannot show you right now. So, click next. Ayan. So, it will ask you now, allow device policy to make and manage phone calls. So, syempre, allow. Ayan. So, nagre-register siya. Let's just wait for it. Ayan. So, you can now activate device admin apps. This feature grants system permissions that pose a greater security risk. Please proceed with caution and only activate if necessary. So, syempre, kailangan talaga natin because sa PNU Gmail, nakasalalay ang future natin sa online classes. So, yan. It will now show you yung terms and conditions. Ayan, yung operations na gagawin ng app for you. So, it can erase all data, change the lock screen password, set password rules, monitor screen lock attempts, lock the screen, set the device global proxy, set screen lock password expiration, set storage encryption, disable cameras and disable some screen lock features. So, ayan, those are technical terms pero I won't delve into it further. So, ayan, if you want to know more about it, just Google stuff. Ayan, and then activate na natin. Click activate. So, the following domain policy settings will be enforced. Administrators will be able to remotely wipe the device. Administrators will be able to remotely remove account from the device. Will be able to remotely provision Wi-Fi networks. Lock screen widgets will be disabled. So, you can do the following actions on your device remotely. Locate device on a map, ring your device at high volume, reset your device password or PIN, and lock your device. Ayan. So, klaro naman sa atin kung ano yung gagawin ng encryption, ng enforcement nung apps. So, let's just click enforce. And it's now activating. So, wait lang ulit. Ayan. So, it says here yan, device is managed by your organization, which is PNU. Administrators can set policies and remotely wipe the device. Your device is pending approval by your domain administrators. You will receive a notification once it is approved. So, and then step number 5 is within 24 hours to approve your request by the administrator. So, we filmed this video on a Friday and hoping na tomorrow, Saturday, magamit na natin siya in time for my class. So, dapat pala kahapon ako nag-shoot. So, ayan, you can successfully sync with server. Ayan, sync now. Locate, that is if your location services are turned on, and then you can click unregister. So, unregister this account so it is no longer managed by your admin. This action will also remove your account. So, ayun. Back na tayo kasi, yun na. Let's just wait for the administrator to approve our request. And
a few moments later.
And we're back with an update, and so I checked my notifications panel. I just saw that my device is approved, so we can just touch that to see more details. Ayan. So now we're going to try out if that really works. We're going to open Gmail right now. Let's just wait for it to load and check in now. Ayan, diba? We are successful, so we can now open the PNU Gmail or the Google email. Ayan, sa ating smartphone. Now, let's try naman yung Google Meet because these are the things that we actually need for our online classes. Ayan, Google Meet naman tayo. And we can now create a new meeting or join a meeting using the code. Thank you so much, and I hope you learned something from our tech tutorial for tonight. See you on our next video. Don't forget to like and watch my other videos, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. For other tech tutorials, you may follow me at Teacher Hazetee on Facebook. Bye!